Welcome, young science enthusiasts. Are you ready to put your detective skills to the test and uncover the mysteries of the natural world?
Yay!
We've got a series of fun, brain-teasing riddles that will challenge your scientific knowledge. Think you can solve them all?
All right, then let's get started. This invisible force is all around us, and it's even inside our own bodies. It keeps us grounded and holds the planets in place. What could it be?
All right, science fans, you've got 10 seconds to figure out the answer to this tricky riddle. Your options are here. The clock is ticking. Which one do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is gravity. Yes, that's it. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls us down and holds the planets in their orbits. Nicely done, science detectives. Gravity is an amazing force of nature that's responsible for so much in our world and beyond. It's what gives weight to everything, from the smallest pebble to the largest mountain. Without gravity, the entire universe would fall apart. Okay, science fans, get ready for the next riddle. This tiny particle is the building block of all matter, from the air we breathe to the stars in the sky. What is it called? This time, I will give you 15 seconds, so have more fun. Your options are cell, molecule, atom, and proton. The clock is ticking. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Correct answer C, atom.
Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of all matter in the universe. These tiny particles make up everything around us, from the air we breathe to the planets in the sky. All right, get ready for another brain teaser. This type of energy can be converted into different forms, and it's essential for powering our homes, our devices, and even our own bodies. What is it called?
You have 11 seconds to answer this question, okay?
Excellent. The answer is D, electrical energy. Electrical energy is the type of energy that can be converted into different forms, such as light, heat, and motion. It's the energy that powers our homes, our devices, and even our own bodies. Electrical energy is an essential part of our daily lives. Electrical energy is an essential part of our daily life and is a fundamental part of how the world around us functions.
Last one, you ready? This scientific process occurs in green plants, and it allows them to convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food. What is it called? This time I will give you 18 seconds to answer the riddle.
Broken bones, broken heart, where can I be mended? A little lonely.
Correct answer, C, photosynthesis. That's it. The answer is C, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process that occurs in green plants, where they use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food. This incredible process is the foundation of the entire food chain and is essential for sustaining life on our planet. Without photosynthesis, the world as we know it would not exist.
All right, science whizzes. Did you crack those riddles? Let me know how many you got right in the comments below. And hey, if you love this brain-bending quiz, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Science 8 for more awesome science challenges, and ring that bell to get notified when the next video drops.